Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how to log into Canvas. So first things first, go to uta.edu and then select the Students tab up at the top. Then under the Quick Links section, go to Canvas. Click it and you'll be brought to this screen, and then you'll have to enter in your email address. So just enter in your first name, last name, at mavs.uta.edu. Then you'll enter the password in that you hopefully entered in during your orientation. And now you're at Canvas. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.